Hey everyone, welcome back to Electro Hobbyist channel. Today I'm excited to share a super fun project that combines Arduino, a TFT LCD and AI. I'll show you how to set up a seamless connection between your Arduino and a Python server and then integrated it all with Telegram and AI through N8N. By the end, you'll see how your voice message can be converted to text and display on your TFT screen in real time. Let's dive in. This Arduino code controls the TFT LCD and displays the AI's response from Python. It receives text over serial, clears the screen, and shows the message with typewriter effect, printing each character one by one while playing a small beep sound. The code also includes a word wrapping function, so long messages fit nicely on the screen. Overall, the Arduino acts like a small terminal that shows whatever the AI sends from N8N through Python. This Python code creates a simple Flask server that listens for messages coming from N8N. When a GET request arrives at the /msg endpoint, it reads the text parameter and sends it directly to the Arduino over serial. The Arduino receives that text and displays it on the TFT. Flask runs on port 5678 and ngrok exposes this port to the internet, so N8N can reach the server from anywhere. To make your Python code accessible from the internet and integrated it with N8N, you can use ngrok. First visit ngrok.com and sign up for a free account. Then download the ngrok client and copy your authorization token. After that, run the command ngrok http 5678 in your terminal. Ngrok will then provide you with a public domain. Copy that domain and paste it into your N8N http request node. This way, your local server becomes accessible from anywhere. In the N8N workflow, we can assign a system prompt to the AI agent. In this project, I set the system prompt to something like Electro Hobbyist is a fascinating and engaging channel about electronics. Don't forget that you can find all the codes and the workflows JSON file on my GitHub. What is the capital of United States? What's your opinion about Electro Hobbyist? If you enjoyed this project and want to see more fun electronics and AI experiments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.